Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you a tour of the hotel that we used for this weekend for my birthday weekend getaway. So if this is something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. The hotel was Wyndham Garden here in Orlando. Address was 5585 American Way, room 205. Walking into the room, it was very spacious. Had a nice tall mirror. The vanity was outside of the bathroom area with a lit up light that was awesome. Walking into the room was a nice sized TV, a spacious table to store all your stuff. Walking around, you'll see we were in a king size bed that was very, very comfortable. 2 night tables along with 2 side lamps. This cute little sofa that popped out if you wanted to have an extra sleeper. Plenty of outlets here. Enough for all your cell phones, your cameras. Plenty of that in this hotel room. This is an overview of the room. Now the lights going in and out were automatic. Here is the mini fridge, mini coffee station, which was absolutely wonderful for us coffee drinkers. This is where we hung our clothes, and it had plenty of drawers on the bottom over here, 2 on this side, 2 on the other. Now per night was $62.20 for a total of $142.20 for the 2 nights that we stayed. Here is the vanity that I told you that lights up. And this is the shower. The shower was huge, guys, and so soothing with those 2 water heads, shower heads. Plenty of pressure. A little bench for us women if we needed to sit. Also the toilet. So the toilet and the shower were separate. This hotel, like I said, is basically brand new, only a couple of weeks opened. It was near all the stores. It was about 9 miles from Walt Disney World, which was absolutely great. Here's the hallway walking out of our room. The elevator you'll see is right around the corner, which was very good. You couldn't hear nothing from outside. There wasn't too many people staying at this hotel due to this COVID. Here is the breakfast area. They do serve complimentary breakfast. This is where everybody would sit. This is outside of the hotel. So once again, guys, this is the tour. If you're ever in the Orlando area, I highly recommend this hotel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.